Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LINU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis in the past, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from, and those definitely play a role into today's action, and then the thing to keep an eye on tomorrow. And the main point here is all about this red line right here at 55 cents. I realize this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the videos in the past, but if you haven't, I've been talking about this as a level of resistance, and once again today during the morning proved to be an area of resistance. Sure, the price broke above it, but as far as being able to close above it, couldn't get a true break. A true break having two parts. The first part's always the obvious one. Well, yeah, a price has to break above a certain level. But then the second part is, can the price maintain above it? Can it stay above the level it broke above? Case in point here. Sure, the price broke above the level, so part one complete, but when it came to maintaining, couldn't maintain. Same thing there. Broke above it, could not maintain, and as I already pointed out, broke above it, could not maintain. Now, I'm not saying that it's impossible for the bulls ever to break above 55 cents. I'm just saying that according to the story of the chart, this is a very important level, and apparently the bulls really are going to need to bring their A game in order to get a true break, which brings up the next point of how things close very strongly today. Again, each one of these represents 30 minutes, so you can see the final 30 minutes of the day. Nice green candle. And I don't want to come across like this is some sort of secret discovery on my part. No, anybody that uses charts is going to be wondering the same thing. And the big question, is a true break finally happening? Going to happen? Is the price setting up to not only get above 55 cents, but then stay up above it and start to get some continuation, as far as a breakout is concerned? Or is past history going to repeat itself? Your guess is as good as mine. There's no such thing as a guarantee. So, nobody can sit here and proclaim that something for sure is going to happen one way or another. But that's the cool thing about charts, is at least they're letting us know that a significant event is on the horizon, and that event is kind of like the pay-per-view battle. It's looking like another showdown with 55 cents is coming. Who's going to win the fight? Well, that remains to be seen, but at least we know a fight is potentially going to be getting started. So we'll see what the bulls do with 55 cents tomorrow, see if they can get some sort of true break or not. Should be entertaining. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.